Welcome to our video on batteries. Batteries are an essential part of our everyday lives, powering everything from our smartphones to our cars. But have you ever wondered how they work? A battery is a device that stores electrical energy and converts it into electrical power through a chemical reaction. Inside a battery, you'll find three basic components: the cathode, the anode, and the electrolyte. The cathode is the positive terminal of the battery and the anode is the negative terminal. The electrolyte is a substance that conducts ions between the cathode and anode, allowing the flow of electricity. There are many different types of batteries, each with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Alkaline batteries are inexpensive and have a long shelf life, but they don't deliver as much power as lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries, on the other hand, are more expensive but have a higher energy density and a longer lifespan. Lead-acid batteries, commonly used in vehicles, are relatively inexpensive but heavy and have a shorter lifespan compared to lithium-ion batteries. Another type of battery worth mentioning is the nickel-cadmium battery, commonly used in portable electronic devices and power tools. They have a longer life cycle than alkaline batteries, but they are less environmentally friendly due to the presence of toxic metals. Recently, there has been a growing interest in using renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Batteries play a crucial role in this transition, allowing us to store and use energy even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. It's important to note that all batteries have a limited lifespan and will eventually need to be replaced. However, proper maintenance and charging techniques can help to extend the life of your batteries. In conclusion, batteries come in many different shapes and sizes and serve a wide variety of purposes. From powering our everyday devices to supporting the growth of renewable energy, batteries play a vital role in our modern world. So next time you're using your favorite electronic device, take a moment to think about the tiny battery that's making it all possible. If you want to know about the composition of something around you, then you should put a comment and I will explain about its composition in the upcoming videos. Do like and click on the subscribe button below for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.